Go fly away like Mary fucking Poppins. Oh, wow. Hello my gorgeous people. Welcome back to yet another video. So, I lost the bidding war on the last GoPro mic adapter. I lost it for 45 quid, but that was minus postage. A little bit gutted about that, to be honest. It is what it is. I have found another one. It's on bid as well, so I have asked the seller to see if they could do an offer for 45. That's if they can be bothered to reply. A lot of people don't bother replying. Fingers crossed they do reply and get back to me. Oh Jesus Christ. That is very, very strong. I'm trying to keep in a straight line here. I don't want to go too close to the bushes. I'll just end up in there otherwise. I'm not risking it today. There's a lot of debris. Don't bring a brolly out the nest. Go fly away like Mary fucking Poppins. That's the last thing you need. Can't tell if you flashed me then. To say thank you for not pulling out maybe? I don't know. Oh man, I had a good meal earlier. We went to Nando's. Not Nando's. We went to Harvesters. Nando's was before. And that was a pretty good meal. I enjoyed it very, very much. Oh my god, it's really, really windy today. Side wind. Sort of got to prepare for it. It's either head on or sideways. And again. Apologies for this vlog. It's not much I can do about the weather. I hope to get my mic configuration sorted within the next couple of weeks, but for now it's just going to be low speed rides for now until I can sort out an adapter. I might even go the extra mile and get the actual adapter kit. There's no point rushing, blown so harshly that I do come off. Oh great, I'm stuck behind this van now. The smart car decides to roll up at fucking 200 miles per hour. But yeah, I couldn't eat all my food, so I've literally got a double dirty burger for work. There it is. Oh god. Ah! I had a leaf fly right into my face. Definitely need to get petrol on the way back home.